Hey there, welcome back to Optech Mystic. In today's video, we're going to tackle messy datasets and learn how to remove duplicates in Excel like a pro. This quick tip will save you time and ensure your data is clean and accurate. Let's get started. First, take a look at our dataset. You'll notice some rows are duplicates, and we need to clean them up. To do this, select the data range. Then, head to the Data tab at the top and click on Remove Duplicates. A window will pop up where you can choose which columns to check for duplicates. For now, let's select all columns and hit OK. Excel will immediately remove the duplicate rows and show you how many were deleted. And there you have it. A clean and tidy dataset in just a few clicks. If this tip made your Excel life easier, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss another pro tip. See you in the next video.